In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flyadeal Manage Booking, change flights, edit details, and more. Whether you're on a phone or a computer, the process is straightforward. Start by opening the Flyadeal website or launching the mobile app. On the homepage, look for the option labeled Manage My Booking. This is your gateway to everything you need, from reviewing your trip to making updates. You'll be asked for two things: your booking reference and your last name. The booking reference is a 6-character PNR made up of letters and numbers. You can find it on your confirmation email or e-ticket receipt. Enter it exactly as shown, without spaces. If something looks like the number 0 or the letter O, double check your email to be sure you're typing the correct character. It's not case sensitive on most systems, but entering it cleanly helps prevent errors. Next, type your last name exactly as it appears on your confirmation. This usually means your family name only, without your first name. If your name includes hyphens or special characters, match what you see in the confirmation as closely as possible. Small differences can prevent the system from finding your booking, so take a moment to verify spelling. Once those two fields are correct, continue to load your reservation. You should see your itinerary details appear. From here, you can now change flights, edit details, and more. Look for clear labels or buttons that correspond to what you want to manage. Before you proceed with any update, review any on-screen notes about rules or fees so you know exactly what to expect. Changes aren't final until you confirm and save, and you'll typically receive an updated confirmation afterwards, so keep an eye on your email, including your spam or junk folder. A few quick tips to make this smoother: use a stable internet connection so the page doesn't time out while you're reviewing options. Have your payment method ready in case there's a fare difference or a service charge for changes. If the page doesn't load your booking, recheck the booking reference and last name for typos, then refresh the page or try a different browser or the mobile app. For privacy, avoid managing your booking on public Wi-Fi and never share your booking reference publicly. That's it. You go to the Flyadeal website or app, select Manage My Booking, enter your 6-character booking reference along with your last name exactly as it appears on your confirmation, and once you're in, you can change flights, edit your details, and more with confidence.